Let me show you how to make urad dal vada. So you have to soak the urad dal for 3 hours and then grind it. I use the wet grinder and add little water and grind it uh, thick and fluffy. So it should be like this. It should be really fluffy. Only then the vada will be soft. After that, you can add salt, black pepper, and a little bit of small onions, cut onions, and green chilies. Also, little curry leaves you can add. Then you deep fry it. Just wet your hands and just make a little the small hole in the middle and deep fry the vada. Keep it in medium to high flame and fry it until it's golden brown and crispy. Just flip it like gently. That's it. It is done. See, it looks so nice and golden and crispy. You can take this one out now and you can enjoy the soft and crispy vada. Enjoy it while it is hot.